Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Raj and right now I'm in the Bangkok in the Chatuchak area in the evening market. So I will show you this evening open market, how it looks and what things are there. But I see a little bit before making this video, like it is a very interesting place for me, and I think you will also like this place because there are many uh, live things like fishes, some rabbits, some mouse, and some parrots, birds. They are selling for home. You can buy from here, and you can put them with you in your home as a pet. So about this place, this is Chatuchak area, uh, near to the bus stop, Mochit bus stop. It's about 10-minute walk from the Mochit bus stop, and I make a video on the Queen Sirikit Park. So it is very next to the Queen Sirikit Park. You have to just cross the road from the Sirikit Park, and it will be on the right side. Depends from which side you are coming. It can be on the left side also. And in the Sirikit Park, there are many exit or entry doors. So it's like I will show you where it is located. Okay, let me show you the place where it is. So this is the one door, entry door for the Queen Sirikit Park. So if you see my other video of Sirikit Park, so you can understand what is inside there, how it looks from inside. So but from this gate, as you will enter, this market is on the right side. You will cross the road and you will see this open market. So now I will show you the things here, how this market looks and what things they are selling here. So okay, start from this corner. I will show you how it is looking. Nice view. They are selling here rabbits, 350 baht, right? This white one, and 200 baht down one, like which is there are some mouse, white color, red color, different colors. Some snake type fish. The interesting thing what I was telling you, like fishes are like packed inside the polythene bag. There is some water and bag is closed, so they are selling, like you can buy this bag and you can take to your home and put in the water. See, so there are tortoise also. These are like bigger one and these are very smaller one, looking very nice. So before this, I never seen in my life this type of things. I mean, they are selling tortoise or some fishes, rabbits, or mouse in the open area. I mean, yes, there are places from where persons can buy the things, but not like this on the side of the road. So you can see there are fishes, different color fishes in one bag. The price for this full bag is 200 bahts. Almost maybe 20 fishes are there with different colors, and see some more sea animals. I don't know the name. And here they are selling the worms. 30 baht for I don't know how many pieces or kg. Kg is not possible because I don't know whether they are like selling for eating for the humans or for these fishes or these things they are selling. I don't know. See, you can see this 3 fishes in one big bag. That side also. In open also there are some containers, plastic containers, and there are fishes. You can see one small color tortoise, so small, green color. You can see so small size green color tortoise. The prices are not mentioned here, so you have to talk to them and they will tell you the price, and you can do the bargaining also in this type of markets, open market. So it depends on you what price you will like say okay to them. So now it came the section of the some, you can see I don't know the names of these things. Type of mouse, but not mouse. Here are rabbits again. Green parrot. I like this sparrow, so nice color. Little bit bigger one. 4 pieces are there and price is written 450 baht. These 4 pieces are for 350 baht. This side also. So this was all about this local market, open market, where you saw the things what they are selling, like some birds and some other things like tortoise or fishes. So as I told you, like for me, this is a very interesting place, and if you are also in the Bangkok, you can visit this place in the evening. You can come here. It is very close to the Queen Sirikit Park. So you can put down the address of Sirikit Park, and next to that park this open market exists. So I hope you like this video. I hope you like this all things what I showed you in this video. So in this video I will say I will close this video now, and I will meet you in some new video on some new place. So till that time I will say bye bye to you. Have a good evening. See you again.